So adult treatment has never been more popular. Day in and day out, we're seeing more and more adults come in who want a great smile. They either had braces as children and didn't wear retainers, or they never had braces when they were young, and now they have jobs and have an income, and they want to do something about it. And so we love that. The only problem is many of them are not willing to go into braces. So luckily we have Invisalign. Invisalign has been around for many years. It's all the things that you have to worry about with braces, excellent brushing and flossing and taking care of the appliances. You don't have to worry so much about with Invisalign. It's so much cleaner. You can take them out to brush and floss. You can take them out for an hour here or there for something important. You're singing church, you're giving a speech in front of your office, something like that. So Invisalign has been a real game changer. I feel like it's probably the future of orthodontics, and we love it actually. It takes much less chair time. You got to do a lot of work up front, but once you get it going, you're really just executing a plan that's very well mapped out detail-wise. So Invisalign is becoming a larger and larger percentage of our adult treatment. Of course, braces are still great. They'll give you a great outcome, but there is some baggage that goes along with braces. So Invisalign is a great choice for those people who are not willing to wear metal braces or clear braces for that matter.